first quick hitch on a wheel loader. Now this is a game changer in the wheel loader market because it allowed these machines to become compatible with a wide array of attachments. Ultimately, it turned the loader into a tool carrier. So what we're going to see right here is Vinny and Dave, they're going to utilize the faster block. And what this does is it allows auxiliary attachments to be hooked up without any hydraulic back pressure. Also have a 14-pin connector. So as they hook that up, we're creating one of the most versatile tools in any contractor's arsenal.